Are you a business owner looking for funding? Well, I have a webinar coming up October 9th at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it's how to unlock unlimited business funding. And yes, you can actually get unlimited business funding. We have the right tools and the programs to share with you and answer your questions to show you how. So if you're an affiliate partner and you have a database of business owners, this would be perfect to share with them. Share it with your reels, share it on Facebook, social media, it doesn't really matter. But get it in front of somebody so they can have an opportunity to learn how to take advantage of these opportunities that are out there. It's just most people don't know where to go, or it's hard to trust anybody. And you can use me as an example because I've been in this business for over 12 years and I know it works and I know it doesn't. And I'm excited to share this opportunity with everybody. And just how to get funding without personally guaranteeing something is amazing, because then it's not attached to you. So let's take advantage, share this, and I'll talk to you soon.